Right, hi everyone, I'm back with another video. This video will be about three things. So the first thing will be a review of last week's assignments, the second thing will be some announcements, and the third thing will be our expectations for this week, okay? So first things first, last week's assignments. So it started with IXL C1, author's purpose, so that was on the IXL website. If you haven't turned that in, you can still do that. Your second assignment was the sentence fragment worksheet, okay? And a lot of you were struggling with that, so let me open that up real quick, and I will do one of those with you. Okay, number 2 was one that everybody seemed to be struggling with, so I'm going to read it to you. Every time we move, it is stressful. Packing boxes, changing schools, and saying goodbye to friends. It is fun, however, to make new friends and try new things. So when I'm looking at sentences and sentence fragments, I am trying to determine if the sentence has both a subject and a verb, and if it is a complete thought. So I will read each sentence one by one. Every time we move, it is stressful. If I were to walk up to you and say, every time we move, it is stressful, you would be able to respond to me, because that is a complete thought with a subject and a verb. Packing boxes, changing schools, and saying goodbye to friends. If I were to walk up to you and say, packing boxes, changing schools, and saying goodbye to friends, you would look at me and be like, okay, what about it, right? Because that's not a complete thought. So that is a sentence fragment, and that would be the one part of the sentence that you, or part of this passage that you need to change into a complete sentence. So you could say something like, every time we move, it is stressful, packing boxes, changing schools, and saying goodbye to friends, all as one complete sentence. Or you could say, every time we move, it is stressful, period, packing boxes, changing schools, and saying goodbye to friends is the worst part, period. It is fun, however, to make new friends and try new things. Okay, so always be looking for that complete thought, the subject and the verb. Okay, after that you had a Newsela article that was about kids being leaders, which directly connects to our theme, the challenge to make a difference. And then you watched an Ellen DeGeneres interview with Malala, and you just had to answer those 6 questions and turn that in. So that was last week. As far as announcements go, the first announcement is that we are going to be cutting the workload in half. Okay, so I did notice that I was giving a lot of work, especially because I'm asking you guys to return the work with corrections. So since that is the most important part of language arts, the corrections, I'm going to start cutting everything in half so that you don't have so much to do and so much to worry about in my class. The second thing is missing work. Missing work can still be turned in for credit. You will lose a few points, but a few points is better than no points. So please get that missing work turned in. And then the last thing is going to be that corrections are important. In language arts, it's always a revision process. The first time you write something, it's a rough draft, so you always have to get feedback on your writing and then make sure that you're making corrections and finalizing your writing. Okay, those were my 3 announcements. As far as expectations for this week, if you look at Google Classroom, you would be on your home page. Click on classwork up here at the top. April 13th to 17th is this week's dates. First thing I want you to click on is the assignment guide. This week's assignment guide shows you that I'm only going to be releasing assignments on Monday and Wednesday of this week. So on Monday, if you look, you are expected to access the Student Tools page on our school's website in order to complete IXL A1. Determine the central idea by receiving a SMART score of 80 or higher. So make sure that you're receiving that 80 or higher SMART score so that I can put that in the gradebook for you. And then the second thing you're expected to do on Monday is to read the Common Lit article titled A Kenyan Teen's Discovery, Let There Be Lights to Save Lions. And then you'll be answering the multiple choice questions that follow. So there's only 5 of those. Make sure you answer those, turn those in, and then I will give you feedback and return them to you or keep it. It depends. So on Wednesday, you will be expected to reread that very same article, and that article's a lot shorter than the Newsela articles you've been reading, and answer the discussion questions. So the discussion questions are actually where you have to type out your answers, and a couple of those questions ask you to cite textual evidence. So that means you're directly pulling quotes from the text in order to support your claim. Okay, so make sure you are doing that. That's the skill that I'm looking for. Below your expectations is your checklist. So you have your IXL A1, you have your Common Lit article multiple choice questions, and then you have your Common Lit article with discussion questions. Okay? So those are your expectations for this week. Here is the multiple choice questions. Here are the multiple choice questions. This is the article. You can see much shorter, it's just a page and a half. Here's your multiple choice questions. Part A, Part B questions there for 4 and 5. And then I'll show you the last thing here, which is your discussion questions. Your discussion questions are at the top here. You see this first question here says cite evidence, so make sure you do that. And then the article is actually going to be below the questions here, just so you can reread that. Okay? Please do not hesitate to email me if you have any questions, comments, concerns of any kind. Okay? You guys have a nice week.